Hello guys, welcome back to my another video about HTML tutorial. So if you are a beginner, then stick to this website or stick to this video. So this is the third part. If you have missed the first and second, then please have a look on the previous ones. If no, then you can also go with the same video. So today we are going to talk about the HTML basic examples. So first of all, we will discuss the HTML document must start with the document type declaration. So here you have to write as it is. Simply copy it and paste it in your document. Then you have to define the HTML tag, and inside there will be head tag and the body tag. So in the previous video we already discussed this example. So the here is the example of doc type declaration. So what is the doc type? Doc type declaration represents the document type and help browser to display web pages correctly. It must only appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tag. So this is not the case sensitive, and it is the declaration of HTML5. Simply doc type HTML inside the brackets or the braces. So here is the heading tags are defined with the H1 to H6. H1 is the biggest in size, then H2 is a little smaller, then uh, the last one is the H6. These are the heading tags that describe your page or the structure of your page or the parts of your pages. So let's try it yourself. So here you can see that this is the all the tags from H1 to H6 are defined here. So here you can see the output. This is the heading 1. Heading 2 is little smaller than the heading 3. So H6 is the smallest in size. So let's go to the next section. HTML paragraph, which is defined with the P tag. So also try it yourself. So this is one paragraph. When you will close the P tag, so your paragraph will be ended here. So let's edit it. Let's increase its size. Run. Here you can see that your paragraph will be ended here, and the next paragraph will be started when you will create. So let me remove it from here and run. So here is only one paragraph. Control Z. You can create multiple paragraph inside one page or any HTML page. So let's proceed with the next thing. So the next thing is the HTML links, which we will define in the A tag, hyperlinks or the links. So let's try it yourself. So here is the HTML links heading is defined in H2, and then the paragraph for the text, and here is the link. First of all, you have to open the A tag, then href, you have to write it as it is, this section. Href equal, then commas, and inside you have to give the link where on the click the link will take you to the website or any link of any page or website or any directory. So this is the part which you have to use as the as placement of the link. So this text will be clickable, and you have to write it here after the closing of A tag. So this text will come between the A tag, closing and opening. So here you can see that this is a link, the text, same text. We can also change it. This is a link here. So this is it. When you will click on it, it will take me to the website w3schools.com. So these links are very important. On the later stage, you will see that. So please go to the next video for further